Sparky Sparks here. Oh my gosh, I just saw the best post from one of my dear friends, Miss Mel, and Mel B. And she had the best message ever. And I think she said it really well. And so I'm going to try to dovetail on the end of that. So when your gal comes to you and says she's thinking about getting a wig, Mel's right. It's not overnight that we think of these things. So she's thinking about how she can look her best and how she can feel her best. And really that spoke to me because that's me. You know, I still have my own hair. It's short and fine, but to wear a wig, I feel my best. I feel beautiful. I feel sexy. I feel gorgeous. I have lots of energy when I look in the mirror. So the person looking back at me in the mirror wasn't who I remember myself to be. So when your gal comes to you and says, I want to wear a wig, or I'm thinking about wigs, be supportive and say, I love that idea. I know you love her the way she looks, and I know my friends love the way I look in my own natural hair, but consider that this is what makes me and perhaps your friends feel tremendous about themselves. So help her embrace wig wearing, because the biggest worry we have is disappointing the ones we love. So when our near and dear friends say, oh, I like you better with your own hair, or I like you better in your short hair, or I like you better naturally, we love that sentiment, and we're so grateful that you do love us all the way on the inside. But I think Mel's right. We don't love what we see looking back in the mirror when we have our own hair on, oftentimes. So help us embrace this journey. Help us feel as awesome as we do. We don't want to disappoint you. So I think that's probably the biggest hurdle to overcome, is not disappointing the ones we love. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.